So today we replace the 4440 IC of this amplifier. Here's its dual tone volumes. So we change this CD 4440 ICs with this 4440 IC. So first we remove this and replace it with the new one. Here we use this type of wick. So here it's so here we have the another one, CD 4440. We replace it with the new one. So here we have new one also here. It's a new CD 4440. As you can see here, we have the similar matching. It's old one, it's a new one, so we replace it with here. Place it down. And we have the another one. Now we solder it out. So now we go to our soldering station and do some solderings. So we apply it here. And here we apply this. This is the thermal paste. Here we use silicone thermal paste. Now we connect the heat sinks here so that when soldering it out it will not overheats. We on it now, soldering iron. I've set our temperatures to 350 degree. It's a micro soldering station here. So when this LED blinks, then it's ready for 350 degrees Celsius soldering. So here's we have waiting for LED blink. So here's we have the blinking LED here. So my soldering iron is ready for soldering at 350 degrees. So we set up the camera here. Turn it off the soldering iron. So let's check my soldering skills. Now it's time to reconnect the wires. I'm testing it. It's here time to check the IC replacements, and here we connected the power wire with our 12 volt supply here. It's a 12 volt and it's a ground here, and it is connected to one here. It's positive and it's a negative wire here. So we on the supply from here. And here you
FM mode.
Here you can see it's FM mode, and here it's a
Bluetooth mode. A US mode.
Here it's
FM mode.
working fine here.
Bluetooth mode.
So you can see here we do not play the song due to some copyright issues here. So
A US mode.
you have to check the supply from this
FM mode.
voice here. As we slow down the voice, you can see.
Bluetooth mode.
As we increase the voice here, we can see.
A US mode.
And here's full volume.
FM mode. Bluetooth mode.